This is Jeff. Jeff works at the track here, corner worker and grid marshal, right?
Yep.
And wants to go for a ride, so heck yeah, let's go.
Strapped in and ready to haul.
One more hot lap, how's that sound?
Okay.
We'll do a cool down to 5 after we cross the start line. That's hot lap.
Truck's ass. Towards this wall to cut this one.
Yes.
Like, where the hell are you going?
Yep.
Oops, sorry. Thank you, sir. That was fun. Like I said, the harder you push, the more I enjoy it. So.
Well, we locked into 225.
Thank you, bud. That was fun. That was great. That's why I like to come like stuff like this, to where I can get rides with guys that are actually going to push it to do something, not just come out here and run laps around.
Oh, I don't do parade laps.
You know.
I only know one mode.
Yeah, wide open. Yeah. That's me too. I just love it.
That was fun.